book. I certainly enjoyed the last one.
On the package is written the Nightingale.
Then it must be a new book about our celebrated bird. Shall we open it?
Of course.
How curious.
It's not a book at all.
I've never seen anything like it. What do you suppose it is?
It must be a clock.
But it has no hands.
Then perhaps it is a crown?
But it's far too difficult to balance on my head.
Then maybe a shoe.
Only one? But yes!
Perhaps it sings.
Of course. Wind the tiny key on her back.
Instead of a book, it was a work of art contained in a casket, an artificial nightingale made to look like a living one, and covered all over with diamonds, rubies, and sapphires. As soon as the artificial bird was wound up, it could sing like the real one, and could move its tail up and down, which sparkled with silver and gold. Round its neck hung a piece of ribbon, on which was written, "The Emperor of Japan's nightingale is poor compared to that of the Emperor of China's."
How delightful. How exquisite.
It does sing.
Let us hear it again.
Perfect.
As lovely as can be.
Now they must sing together, and what a duet it will be.
They did not get on well, for the real nightingale sang in its own natural way, but the artificial bird sang only waltzes.
That wasn't pleasant at all.
Terrible.
Ridiculous.
That is not a fault. It was quite perfect to my taste. Let us hear it again.
So then it had to sing alone, and was as successful as the real bird. Besides, it was so much prettier to look at, for it sparkled like bracelets and breastplates.